Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The hip strip in Montego Bay officially renamed the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. The Ministry of Entertainment, in collaboration with the Ministry of Tourism and the St. James Municipal Corporation, has honored reggae icon Jimmy Cliff by renaming the hip strip in the singer's honor. The special ceremony held yesterday afternoon at the Old Hospital Park in Montego Bay included musical tributes from Dean Fraser, Richie Spice, Tessanne Chin, Karen Smith, among others. Minister of Entertainment Olivia Grange expressed that the honor is well deserved.
A player of several instruments, singer, an actor, star of stage and screen, and more than anything else, one of Jamaica's greatest poets as a songwriter, who is respected here in Jamaica and globally for his professionalism, and I underscore professionalism, commitment, and longevity.
Reggae icon Jimmy Cliff expressed his gratitude for the award.
I am very thankful for this honor. I'm eternally grateful for the support that you've been giving me over these years. Many rivers to cross, it was so hard to find my way.
So guys, remember, it's now the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. That's it for this weekend's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.